video on MSMEs and delayed payments in India. The role of MSMEs in India's economy, micro, small, and medium enterprises, are the backbone of India's economy, contributing significantly to the employment and growth. Let's talk about the challenges faced by MSMEs. However, despite their crucial role, MSMEs face several challenges, including delayed payments. In the year 2006, the Indian government passed the MSMED Act, which contains provisions for the settlement of disputes arising from delayed payments to MSMEs. The Act established the Micro and Small Facilitation Council to resolve such disputes. Any Indian enterprise that deals in goods or services and is registered with the MSME department is a registered MSME. The Government of India classifies MSMEs into three categories: micro, small, and medium enterprise based on their investment and its turnover. Let's talk about the classification criteria for MSMEs. A micro enterprise has an investment in plant and machinery or equipment that does not exceed 1 crore rupees and a turnover that does not exceed 5 crore rupees. A small enterprise has an investment in plant and machinery or equipment that does not exceed 10 crore rupees and a turnover that does not exceed 50 crore rupees. A medium enterprise has an investment in plant and machinery or equipment that does not exceed 50 crore rupees and a turnover that does not exceed 250 crore rupees. Now, what are the mandatory compliances for MSME business owners? As an MSME business owner, you need to follow certain mandatory compliances for a legally viable and stronger case against a buyer of goods or services. It includes having a valid purchase order or agreement between the buyer and the seller that clearly states the seller is registered with MSME, an invoice that also mentions MSME registration, record keeping of the delivery of goods or services, and sending a written payment reminder to the buyer through its advocates or a legal counsel. Filing a case with the MSEFC. Despite these compliances, situations may arise where the buyer does not make the payment or delays payment to the seller, leading to the grievances. If such a situation arises, an MSME business owner can file a suit against the buyer unit before the MSEFC for the recovery of the amount. The case can be filed online on the MSME Samadhan portal. Now let's discuss what is the importance of a carefully drafted legal notice. To file a case with the MSEFC, a legal notice through an advocate or a legal counsel is mandatory. The notice should be carefully drafted to showcase the PO, agreement date, invoice amount, delivery date of goods and services, and payment due date. Once the legal notice is sent, the application can be filed online on the MSME Samadhan portal. The conclusion is filing a case with the MSEFC may seem daunting, but it is a necessary step to recover delayed payments. As an MSME business owner, you have the right to seek justice and receive payment for your services provided. By following the mandatory compliances in legal processes, you can ensure a strong case against any buyer who delays payment. Remember, justice delayed is justice denied. Thank you so much.